Hey everybody, we're back. We're headed into Marshall's. Coco and Yair are in school. The big kids are out for the summer. We're just going to check it out, see what they have. Y'all, I would like to add, this is literally the best Marshall's I have ever been to in my life. Y'all, first things first, look at this. It doesn't have a price tag on it, but I'm assuming it's probably somewhere like $24.99. Let's see if this one has one. $29.99. We've also got a little NARS lip duo here for $12.99. That's cute. Some more Too Faced here, $16.99, and then we have a few of them. Okay, we have a bunch of MAC foundations here, but the weird thing is $14.99. You have some in cases and some not in cases. Primer, Prep and Prime here for $24.99. Seems a little overpriced. Got some Pacifica here for a $3.99. I think I have this actually, $16.99 for that. And then they have a bunch of NARS eyeshadow. Oh no, it's not an eyeshadow palette, it's a bronzer. We have a bunch of NARS bronzers for $16.99. And then we have some MAC here. It is lashes to lip, $20, $19.99. Sephora palettes that we've been seeing for a while, so that's nothing new, for $5. Still a good price. No, we do not. $34.99 for this Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana. $16.99 for this one. We've been seeing this a lot. And then it looks like this is probably... Then it looks like we have a car. No, this isn't Cara. I thought this was Cara. It's not a Cara palette. It's not in the box either, so I don't know the price. Let's look at it. Oh, she's pretty though. I'm not mad at that. Okay, we also have a few of these for $14.99 Voyager eyeshadow palette. Oh, we have a highlighting powder also for $14.99. It's gonna be in the shade St. Barth's. Y'all, when I say they are stocked up on every Zoeva brush that possibly exists, I literally mean it. They are stocked up, and it's not all the same brushes. They have different ones back there. Look at this. So $5.99, $4.99, $3.99, $5.99, $5.99. So it looks like the most expensive ones would be $5.99. And then look at these from EcoTools, which I really like EcoTools. $7.99, and then they have this one for $7.99 too. And then we have a little e.l.f. duo here for $6.99. Okay, we have some Real Techniques brushes here, and I love their brushes too. $6.99. You like that one, Tito?
Yeah, it has glitter in it.
Oh, wow.
How do you take the glitter out?
You can't take it out. This one is going to be $6.99 also. More EcoTools. Hydro Glow Kit. This actually looks pretty nice. $6.99 for that. We have a primer brush for $3.99. We have a powder brush here for $3.99. We have a pink one back here, also $3.99. The kids are really obsessed with these Wet n Wild. Let's see.
Can I get this?
$5.99. See how it does this thing. More Real Techniques here. $3.99. Then they have a big old fan brush here for $3.99. And then we have another brush set here. Y'all, it's hard working when you got the kids with you. $6.99. I had to ask them, can we please be a little quiet? Thank you. Easier working with them than working with the girls though. Come on, put those brushes back on the hooks that you got them from. Good job, perfect. Y'all, look at this. It's a full set. Flip it over, buddy. Hold it. Okay, perfect. So you get this, what is that? Saturday Detention Face Palette. You get another palette. You get 3 lipsticks. You get a mascara, and you get another palette. $15. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We just happened to come across it. It was right here. Okay, we have some Fix Plus. I love Fix Plus. I don't know about the coconut one, but I do like Fix Plus. $16.99. We've got some It Cosmetics, a little cleansing trio thing happening. $24.99 for that. We've got some Clinique here, probably like deluxe sample size. $16.99. We've got some Kate here. Improvement in the look of wrinkles. I definitely need that. $24.99. Hydrating Repairing Serum for $14.99 here. Clinique Moisture Basics. $34.99. We've got some Murad here. I love Murad. Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Oh, I need that. $34.99. Those are nice. Can you put them back though? Thank you. Yeah, it's the kids. What is this? It's just a white box. This is a moisture cream. It's $19.99, but I don't know what It's weird, just plain white. Oh, it's up here. Elizabeth Arden. Didn't see that. My bad. Oh, what is this? Aqua and Sika bombs. Okay, so we have one that's locked up and one that's not locked up. This is going to be $19.99 for that. Oh, look at these little things. How cute.
They're eggs. They're eggs. They're full of
$16.99. Yeah, they're little egg things.
Can I get that for you? When it's Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Can I tell Daddy?
Yeah. Then we have this from Glam Glow. It was on clearance and it looks like they took it off, so it's $14.99 now. Come this way, please. We've got some perfumes here. I love the Juicy Couture. $29.99, $26. You got some Coach here. I think that's $29.99. Oh, that's cute. That's cute packaging.
Oh.
What is this?
I don't know.
Electric Feels.
Do you like this one?
$14.99. It is cute. Don't spray it, okay? We got some Mario here.
Wait,
Mario for $14.99. We have this one for $12.99. Yes, Mario. Peaches. And then we have this Mario for $14.99. Let's see what they have over here. They've rearranged everything. Like when we first moved here, it was one way. Then they rearranged, and I was like, oh wow, that's great. And now they've rearranged again, and it actually looks even better. We've got this from Coola. I think it's $15.99. It's hard for me to tell. Yes, Barbie bath bombs. We got makeup erasers here for $6.99. And then what's this? Oh, I actually had bought this. I think it was like 14 bucks or something. Oh, $16.99. Yeah, I have this. I've never used it though.
Why you don't get that though?
Because I don't really have the luxury of taking a bath anymore. We have this from Kopari, Coconut Water Moisture Cream, $9.99. And then look at this cute packaging. Happy Dance.
Oh, the dance. Happy Dance.
Oh, it doesn't have a price tag on it. Sorry, y'all. We've got some Rad here randomly in no box at all. $6.99. Essential C Cleanser. Do we see anything else that looks cool?
Yes.
Some face masks, more face masks. Straight to the pores. I have some major pore issues as I've gotten older. I always did, but now it's really bad. $3.99. So yes, so I think that's a sloth. So I need something to like shrink my pores because they're massive. Yes, there is a lot of red here. This location color coordinates everything. So that's a lot of purple right there. This is a lot of red right here. Okay, I've seen these before and I thought about getting them just because the packaging is so cute. $4.99. It reminds me of the Kim Kardashian perfume packaging that I hated the way it smelled, but the packaging was cute. Oh, I had one of these. I got it in like a boxy luxe. I gave it to my grandfather. $9.99. It was good. I should have kept it. Oh, here's the pink one, y'all. The pink one. Because I think that packaging is way more cute than blue. Y'all, I pulled this out because I was like, oh, this looks pretty cool, right? How much is it? It's discounted for $26. And then I see the note, not getting hot. Then, you know what? Get rid of it if it's broken. And you get some nail polish strips. I like them. Hold this, Tita.
Oh, okay. I'm holding
Thank you. We have this from Mario. It's a brightening kit for $14.99. Truly Body Star Perfecting Cream, $12.99. We've got some e.l.f. here, a super cleanser thing for $3.99. Yeah, look at all these different Dr. Jart masks. I actually really love his masks. $12.99 for this set, $14.99 for this one, and this has 5 in it for $12.99. $12.99 for 5. Oh, so I think all of them have 5 in there. $12.99, and then look at this one. $12.99 for that. And you have a bunch more down here. I'm gonna assume all between $12.99 and like $14.99. You have that one there. I really need one for my big pores. I need this. I need to exfoliate. Any of these, really. What do you see?
These.
Oh, little macaroon things.
Yeah, they're food.
Yeah.
Can we try one?
They're not really food. It's not really food. It's just pretend.
Mama,
What's this? We have this set here. It has no price, but it's probably clearance because this is like the clearance area. I think that's about it, y'all.
Yeah,
But not a bad day, right?
Yeah. Not that bad.
Not that bad.
We got 2 stuff at least.
Yeah, 2 stuffs.
And look at this, Mama. Look at this face mask?
Yeah.
The kitty.
Kitty cat.
Well, if you leave face masks on for too long, the face will stay on your face.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw that on commercials.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's all of it. So you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.